Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical house cleaning a breeze, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from House Cleaning a Breeze, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best house cleaning a breeze from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Joymoop and Bucket with Wringer Set White Flat Squeeze for Floor Cleaning. Say goodbye to messy mops and dirty water with the Joymoop Mop and Bucket with Wringer set, your new favorite floor cleaning companion. Designed with a 2-tank wash and dry system, this flat squeeze mop makes hands-free cleaning easier than ever. Just dip the mop in the wash chamber to scrub off dirt, then slide it into the dry chamber to squeeze out excess water. No bending, no splashing. The 360-degree swivel head reaches under furniture and into corners, while the extendable stainless steel handle adjusts up to 60 inches for effortless wall and floor cleaning. The set includes 4 reusable microfiber mop pads, perfect for wet or dry use with excellent absorption. Its compact design offers easy storage, fitting everything neatly inside the bucket. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning your space, Joymoop keeps your hands clean and your home sparkling. Get ready to make floor cleaning quick, efficient, and mess-free with this all-in-one mop solution. Number 2. Hoto Electric Spin Power Scrubber Full Body Waterproof for Shower Bathroom Floor and Tile. Tired of back-breaking scrubbing? The Hoto Electric Spin Power Scrubber is here to make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and totally hands-free. With 6 versatile brush heads, including a pointed brush for grout and a dome brush for bathtubs, this all-in-one cordless scrubber tackles floors, sinks, tiles, bathtubs, and more. Its 2.5 Nm torque motor and dual-speed settings, 220 to 300 RPM, power through stubborn dirt without damaging surfaces. The IPX7 waterproof design means you can even scrub under running water, while the long-lasting battery delivers up to 110 minutes of deep cleaning on a full charge. With an extendable handle 37 to 51 inches, you'll never have to bend or kneel again. Swap brush heads in seconds thanks to the secure, easy buckle design, and store everything neatly in the included storage bag. Whether for your own home or as a thoughtful gift, the Hoto Scrubber is your ultimate cleaning companion. Say hello to spotless results and goodbye to the mess. Number 3. Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze Complete Wet-Dry Vacuum Cordless One-Step Cleaning for Hard Floors. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional cleaning with the Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze Complete Wet-Dry Vacuum, your all-in-one cordless solution for spotless hard floors. This powerful vacuum and mop combo handles wet and dry messes in a single step, effortlessly tackling tough spills, sticky stains, and daily dirt. Perfect for sealed surfaces like hardwood, tile, laminate, and marble, it delivers streak-free results and leaves your floors dry in seconds. The dual-tank system keeps clean and dirty water separate, and the 30% larger water tank means fewer refills and longer cleaning time. With enhanced edge cleaning, it reaches tight spaces and baseboards with ease. Enjoy the convenience of hands-free, self-cleaning. Just one press and your roller and tubing are clean and ready to go. The cordless design, long 35-minute runtime, and self-drying roller make it ideal for busy households. Whether you're deep cleaning or spot treating, the Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze turns everyday messes into effortless shine. Number 4. Chomp Painted Wall Cleaner Spray Healthier Meadow Breeze Home Cleaning. Refresh your home with the Chomp Painted Wall Cleaner Spray. Meadow Breeze, the ultimate plant-based cleaning solution for a healthier, fresher space. This multi-purpose cleaner is tough on dirt, scuff marks, stains, and dust while being gentle on all paint finishes. Whether you're tackling walls, ceilings, baseboards, or other washable surfaces, Chomp delivers heavy-duty performance without harsh chemicals. Breathe easy with its VOC-free formula, making it a safer choice for homes with kids and pets. Infused with a Meadow Breeze scent, it instantly eliminates unpleasant odors from pets, food, smoke, and more, leaving your space clean and refreshed. Simply spray and wipe with a clean cloth or pair it with the Chomp Clean Walls extendable wall washer tool for a faster, deeper clean. Make cleaning easy, effective, and healthier for your entire household. Try Chomp today and see the difference in every swipe. Number 5. Daliper Baseboard Cleaner Tool with Handle Wall Cleaner Mop for house cleaning. Make house cleaning easier and more efficient with the Daliper Baseboard Cleaner Tool with handle. Your all-in-one solution for tackling baseboards, walls, ceilings, windows, and more. This upgraded cleaning mop features a 54.7-inch extendable handle with a comfort foam grip to protect your back and prevent slipping. The 360-degree swivel head and uniquely designed convex edge fit perfectly along baseboards, ensuring a deep, thorough clean with minimal effort. With 4 interchangeable pads, chenille for dry dusting, and microfiber for wet mopping, you're ready for any surface. Plus, the newly upgraded brush pad handles stubborn stains with ease, and the built-in floor squeegee takes care of water and soap residue in a snap. Whether you're freshening up your floors, scrubbing the walls, or wiping down windows, this multi-purpose tool adapts to your cleaning needs. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to store, the Daliper Baseboard Cleaner is a must-have for every home. Get ready to clean smarter, not harder. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.